Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel ATP Creative Corner. In today's video, I am going to make a keychain charm in which you can keep money. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed already. Now let's get started. To begin with, I have taken 2 pieces of the main fabric, 2 square pieces of the interfacing. I have taken duck canvas and 2 pieces of the lining fabric of same dimensions, 4 inches across 4 inches. Next, on the wrong side of the main fabric, I am going to place the interfacing piece like this and give stitches on the edges. Now it's done. For the pocket, I have taken a rectangular piece of main fabric and a rectangular piece of lining fabric. Since the main fabric is thick enough, I did not use the interfacing piece here. Both the pieces are of same dimensions, 4 inches across 2.5 inches. Next, I have taken a zip which is 4 inches in length. Now on the main fabric piece, I am going to place the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this, and the lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. I am using sewing clips to keep them in place. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Next I'll give a top stitch here. Top stitch is done. Next, on one of the main panels, I am going to place the pocket piece like this, such that their sides are aligned together, and I'll give stitch on all 4 sides. Now it's done. Now the pocket piece is attached to the main panel. You can keep it as it is, as there is no raw edge here, but I'll stitch a lace piece on top just to decorate the pocket. Now I'll give straight stitches on both the sides of the lace. Now it's done. Next, to make the fabric loop, I have taken a square piece of main fabric of dimensions 2 inches across 2 inches. Next, on the wrong side, I am going to fold it on both the sides like this. Next, I'll fold it again like this. Now give stitches on both the sides. Once done, it will look something like this. Next, on the main panel, I am going to fold this in half like this, and I am going to place its open ends above the pocket like this. Now I'll give a stitch here. Once done, it will look something like this. Next, I'll take another zip which is 4 inches in length. Now I'll place it with its right sides facing downwards like this, and I'll place the lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Next, I'll give a top stitch here. Top stitch is done. Next, on the other panel, I am going to place the zipper with its right sides facing downwards like this, and the lining piece with its right sides facing downwards like this. Now I'll give a straight stitch here. Now it's done. Next, I'll give top stitch on this side as well. Top stitch is done. Next, I'll fold it in such a way that the main fabric panels are facing each other and the lining pieces are facing each other like this. Next, on the lining fabric, I'll mark 2 points which are 2 inches apart. Now I'll start stitching from this point until I reach this point, keeping the 2-inch space unstitched. Once done, it will look something like this. Next, I'll trim all 4 corners like this. Now through this 2-inch space, I am going to turn the right side of the fabric outwards like this. Next, I am going to push the raw edges on the lining fabric inside like this and give a straight stitch on top here. Now it's done. Next, I'll push the lining fabric inside the pouch like this. The pouch is ready now. Next, I'll insert a ring through the loop like this. And our keychain charm pouch is ready now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.